All right, back we go. Super Bowl Sunday. It is February 7th. Going over some of these movers, these gainers. Small caps have been super hot. BSQR. Let's take a look. Yeah, this is another one. Like these stocks coming out of nowhere, like a 1 day move. 12 million float on Finviz says 25 million market cap. No news in this forever. B Square Software Solutions Engineering for standalone intelligent systems North America. Yeah, looking back on this in the weekly, yeah, this has been around forever. It's done splits 2000. This has been flat for a long time. It's had spikes to near 13. And you can see it. This has been running. See, recently, 1 to 2, there's nothing here. And then this exploded. 114 million in volume, low float. Got to this 250 level. Look at this 250. Back and forth on this 5 minute, exploded to 850. That's a $6 gain, and it came back. It looks like AME charts, doesn't it? Look right here. Same type of chart, and then crash down. So it was a sympathy. Most likely the same type of pattern in play. They were looking for plays like this. Where's this one going to go? Well, this came all the way back. It's got to reclaim all this area now. You want this two to hold, or it's just going to fade. See this? It does nothing the rest of the time. So I'm skeptical this will do anything more. This might be like a 1 day move, but no news. I don't see no news on this at all. There's nothing going on with this except a 1 day pop. Now we'll see. Maybe there'll be something come out with it news. Very skeptical. So you put your 2 line here. There's your 2 line. There's your 1 line. See this back and forth? And then this explodes up. So we'll see what happens with this. I have my doubts on this one, like some of them other 1 day pops. I don't think we're going to get another day. I think it's going to slide back, but we'll see. WHLR. This is a 7 million float on Finviz, 27 million market cap. What do they do? Headquartered Virginia Beach, Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust, self management. This is kind of a strange chart. See, this went down. This double bottom, like at 1. Right here, this 1 double bottom. So here, and actually September. Then it started to go north here. It doesn't have the best of volume. Or actually, I should say no volume. Wow, this is terrible volume. I changed that. And then this is another one. See, another 1 day spiker. This has done really nothing. And then we spike. Different pattern now. Pre-market went up. Pull back. Pulled up again. Look at that. Up here, down, and then double topped on that. And did nothing really. So, I don't like this chart at all. Crazy. Nothing going on with this, like the volume-wise. But just going over it. If this pulls back, you get the 3 area to look for. I would watch for that. And then see when you have these big wicks, now it has to reclaim that. We have to get back in there and try to test that. So made it above here near this 8 line. So we'll see in this. This is more of a recap on these. I don't think these will do much. Like VSQR, I doubt. I doubt this will do something. But just going over it. TCAT. This is a 5 million float, lower float. I don't see no real news in this either. What do they do? Operate Steelers. Operates online platforms, artist dealers, trade, artwork primarily in China, Republic of China. So this is another sketchy chart. See, some of these charts, even for like low float stocks, they're really sketchy. This is even more sketchy. Look at this. Look at the volume down here. There's nothing down here. So, in this, I would have to say it's an avoid. It's going up. It did make a nice move recently. You have 4 here. If we can get back over 4, anywhere between this 4 to 10, because it's a low float, anything's possible. See the upward slope, but you don't want to stay in this even like for a swing. Too dangerous. So just a lot of these charts are more of a education on this volume here. See the volume? No volume at all. And then it just spikes one day. They're avoids. All of them I just did today. Not all of them. I mean, this BSQR, WHLR, TCAT, they're not even good. Where you can get in, maybe swing. They're too dangerous at this point. I would more play it as a swing trade or a day trade. I mean, if you get it here, it's a nice little day trade. So it needs to increase volume. It needs to improve. Like we're just getting consistent volume every day. Look at this, 114,000. You can't get in and out of that. So this actually could be a good lesson on what to avoid on these little small caps and what to trade. So be careful with all these. All right, so that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trade. Smash the like button. Trade ideas, link, my referral. Twitter, Mike J Trades. TikTok, Mike Frank III. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Cayman Trades. That's it for this video. Peace.